Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. This is task for practical 3, which is chemometrics using Origin Pro. First and foremost, chemometrics, particularly principal component analysis or PCA, is a statistical tool that reduces complex industrial datasets into principal components. In perfume distillation, PCA helps to identify which process variables most influence ethanol purity and stability. So first step of using Origin Pro is to import the data sets and arrange the variable. For example, in this case, time, temperature, reflux ratio, and ethanol concentration, and ran PCA with a mean centering. The software then generated a script plot, scores plot, and loadings plot, and bar plot. First, we have the script plot. This shows how much variance each principal component explains. PC1 captures the largest portion of the data's variability, followed by PC2. This helps to decide how many components are meaningful for analysis. For example, in our case, PC1 and PC2 are sufficient. Next is the loadings plot. Shows how each variable, for example temperature, reflux ratio, ethanol concentration, and time, contribute to the principal component. Ethanol concentration has the strongest influence on PC1, meaning it's the key factor driving purity variation. Temperature and reflux ratio contribute more to PC2, reflecting their role in process stability. Next is the scores plot, which maps each sample based on its PC1 and PC2 values. Each red dot represents a time point during the distillation process. Clusters in this plot indicate stable operating conditions, while outliers may signal unusual behavior or off-spec purity. For the bar plot, the red dots represent individual data points projected into this reduced dimensional space. The blue arrows indicate the loadings of each variable, such as reflux ratio, ethanol concentration, temperature, and time. Their direction and length show how strongly each variable contributes to the principal components. This plot helps to visualize relationship between variables and identify patterns or cluster in the data. In brief, chemometrics enhance industrial chemistry by turning raw process data into actionable insight. PCA allows us to detect off-spec batch early, optimize distillation parameters, and ensure consistent perfume quality.